Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we talk about everything related to gardening. Today, we're going to be discussing one of the most popular topics among gardeners and homeowners: how to start a kitchen garden at home. Having a kitchen garden is not only a great way to grow your own fresh, organic produce, but it's also a great way to reduce your carbon footprint and save money on groceries. So, if you're interested in starting a kitchen garden, then you've come to the right place. Benefits of having a kitchen garden. Before we dive into the steps of starting a kitchen garden, let's first talk about the benefits of having one. A kitchen garden not only provides you with fresh and healthy products but also helps to reduce your carbon footprint. You can grow your own vegetables, herbs, and fruits without the use of harmful pesticides and fertilizers. Plus, it saves you money on groceries, provides you with a fun and engaging hobby, and helps to beautify your outdoor space. Step 1. Choosing the right location. The first step to starting a kitchen garden is choosing the right location. Ideally, your garden should be located in a spot that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. The area should also be easily accessible, close to a water source, and well draining. Consider the space you have available and the types of plants you want to grow when selecting your garden location. Step 2. Preparing the soil. Once you've selected your garden location, the next step is to prepare the soil. Start by removing any weeds, rocks, or debris from the area. Then, loosen the soil using a garden fork or tiller, and mix in some compost or organic matter to improve the soil quality. Step 3. Choosing the right plants. The third step is to choose the right plants for your kitchen garden. Consider what you like to eat, what grows well in your area, and what season it is. Some easy-to-grow plants for beginners include tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, lettuce, and herbs. Step 4. Planting your garden. Now that you've selected your plants, it's time to start planting. Follow the planting instructions for each plant, making sure to space them out appropriately. Keep in mind that some plants, such as tomatoes and cucumbers, will need support structures like cages or trellises. Step 5. Watering and maintenance. After planting, it's essential to keep your garden well watered and maintained. Make sure to water your plants deeply and consistently, and consider using a soaker hose or drip irrigation system to conserve water. Regularly check your garden for pests and diseases, and use organic pest control methods if needed. Starting a kitchen garden may seem intimidating at first, but with a little planning and effort, it's a fun and rewarding experience. Not only will you have access to fresh and healthy produce, but you'll also be doing your part to reduce your carbon footprint and promote sustainable living. So, why not give it a try? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.